The Supreme Court will consider the petitions challenging electoral bonds on the 6th of December. The government has argued that electoral bonds are transparent. Petitioners, however, have told the court that opacity of electoral bonds cannot be allowed in a democracy. Ashmit Kumar gets us more. Ashmit, this has been long pending. Finally, the Supreme Court taking up the matter. Take us through the arguments.
Well, this is one issue which the court itself, in fact, observed today that has been lying and pending before the apex court for nearly 7 years now. We're talking about the issue of electoral bonds. This was brought up once again before the top court, and the petitioners, the whole slew of petitioners raised various questions. They called this an opaque system of political funding. They said that the systems, the way they have been structured, allow even foreign funds to be routed back to political parties, that there's no transparency, that this, interestingly, they pointed out, is activated. These electoral bonds are issued just prior to state elections, and that one is coming up in the state of Gujarat, and that is something that was red flagged by the petitioners. The government, however, represented by the Solicitor General as well as the new Attorney General, pointed out that this is the most transparent system, that there is no scope for black money or unaccounted cash to be routed through these electoral bonds to political parties, and that it was completely secure. The apex court has not said anything about the merits of the case or, in fact, about the electoral bonds itself. However, has agreed to hear the case on December 6th, and that's when it will begin hearing all the arguments by the petitioners as well as by the government to understand what the way forward on electoral bonds could look like.
Ashmit, many thanks for joining us.